you going? I'm getting out of here. Get over here. Where you going? Give me some more. Give me some more energy. Instant energy. Say hi, Mama. Get a little juice. Wash down that oatmeal.
We'll go juice.
I think we're just about full.